how generative AI is changing app development forever. In the rapidly evolving world of technology, generative AI is emerging as a game changer in app development. This cutting-edge technology transcends traditional coding paradigms and empowers developers to unleash their creativity in unprecedented ways. Imagine an intelligent system that can generate code snippets, suggest features, and even automate debugging, essentially acting as a co-developer. Generative AI enhances efficiency and accelerates the development process, allowing teams to focus on what truly matters: innovation and user experience. As generative AI tools become more sophisticated, they facilitate a seamless collaboration between human and machine. Developers can now input specific requirements and constraints, and the AI can propose complete app architectures that are not just functional, but also optimized for performance. This capability transforms how applications are built, enabling rapid prototyping and iterative design processes that adapt to user feedback almost in real time. The AI's ability to learn from vast datasets means that the solutions it generates are often grounded in industry best practices, pushing the envelope of what is achievable in app functionality and design. Moreover, generative AI plays a crucial role in personalizing user experiences. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, these systems can recommend features and optimizations that cater to individual users, creating a tailored interaction that enhances customer satisfaction. This level of customization was once labor-intensive and time-consuming. However, with generative AI, developers can effortlessly integrate sophisticated algorithms that adapt to user needs. As a result, applications become more interactive and intuitive, which is vital for retaining user engagement in a competitive market. Yet, the integration of generative AI in app development raises questions about the future of developer roles. While it undeniably streamlines processes, it also necessitates a new skill set focusing on managing AI tools, interpreting their outputs, and incorporating creative problem-solving. Developers become strategists who leverage AI capabilities rather than just coders, shifting the focus of their work towards higher-level tasks that require human insight. In conclusion, generative AI is revolutionizing app development by enhancing productivity, facilitating creativity, and personalizing user interactions. As this technology continues to evolve, it holds the promise not just of simplifying the coding process, but also of redefining the very nature of app development, compelling developers to adapt and innovate as they navigate this new landscape. The future is bright, and with generative AI, app development will never be the same again.